How to check transaction history in CoinEx application. Welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to check your transaction history on CoinEx but not sure which option to use, first of all, launch open the CoinEx application and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page after logged into CoinEx, go ahead and tap on the Assets menu from the bottom right corner. Inside the asset option, go to the upper right corner and you'll see a little calendar kind of an icon. Just tap on it. It will be located right under Earn at the top right. Soon after you do that, you'll see three different options popping up on the screen. Go ahead and tap on Asset History. After you do that, it will show everything in one place. It includes deposits, withdrawals, internal transfers, and so on. You'll see full details like TX ID and status inside the asset history. Since I've not made any transactions on my account, I'm not being able to see anything out here whatsoever, but if you've made recent transactions, you'll be able to find it all here. So there you have it. That is how you can easily check your transaction history on CoinEx application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.